What's up, YouTube? This is Python Projects, and we're going to be building projects with Python from basic to advanced and in between. Now, this first video, we're going to make a word game called MadLibs, and MadLibs is just a phrasal word game that involves one person to ask another person for a list of words to fill in the blanks of a hidden sentence or a story. Now, I have some colors here set up for you. You can switch up the intro however you want. This is how it comes out here. If you're completely new to Python, you can follow this test1 and test2.py file I have over here. It'll catch you up to at least the syntax we are using for this project. And to make this project is simple. It only takes 3 steps. So let's get started. I have some notes here to help me move quicker. So first, we're going to get the name. I'll save that into an input where we will ask the user, what's your name? Drop down to the next line and give him space to type. And you can ask your own questions as long as you get an adjective and a verb. You can ask your own questions also other than that, or you can follow along. What's your favorite number? I'll just put adjective and verb. Okay, so the way that would come out is like so. Oh wait, gotta save it. Say what's your name, type your name, your favorite number, adjective, verb, run. And that's it, since that's where we stopped, but we do have that input saved in these variables. So concat, short for concatenation. So I'll use that as a variable name also, and use a format string to concatenate all the other strings that we have saved in these variables. So this is also where you can make your sentence. The whole point of an adjective and a verb being added in is so that the sentence you create actually makes sense from the input that the user gives you. So remember that. You can make up your own or you can follow along. I'll just make up from whatever comes in my head. I'll go off actually what I put here. Okay, so there's my concatenated string that I'll have set up. And based on user's input, it will fill in the gaps of name, verb, number, and adjective. So after that, we'll just print it out. And let's see how this turned out. Enter some strings. Guy can run around the city 3 times like it's nothing. It's crazy. And that is a basic MadLibs game. You can put if statements into the mix, make it even bigger, even more complex. We're going to get into if statements on the next video, but we're also going to build something else. So I will see you then.